What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Zebec today, ZBCN. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. It is the 16th of August, and here we are at about 00465, and Zebec is putting up a fight, that's for damn sure. If you caught me at the wrong time today, and we were making this video at the high, I might have been bullish, man. That might have been a good bullish kind of reversal situation there. Let's look at this on the 1 hour time frame and see how convincing that was. That's a pretty nice move. Let's get some volume on there. That's what I'd want to see. Let's see. Not convincing, but it is a nice move, I will say. This definitely indicates that we're going lower. Absolutely. We're just shaking out the bears before going there, right? Anybody that wants to FOMO buy, we're making them FOMO buy at slightly higher prices, right? Probably like a 20% difference of where the low will be, if not at least like a 15% difference. If it loads, it'll load. It's taking its sweet time here. That was a lot of volume. That's a lot of volume, man. But we didn't go anywhere, right? That's the problem. With that much volume, you should be breaking out. You didn't break out, though. We didn't get anything of the sort like that, right? We didn't go anywhere. We got a slightly higher high. It's topped off in this area, and we're going lower. So absolutely, I think, if anything, that 1 hour right there confirms that we are moving lower, right? It's that literally just validates that, oh, this didn't break us out of this? Well, there's little hope at this point. And it was over the weekend, right? On Saturday. Weekends are pretty unreliable with their price action, in case you guys don't know, right? Typically, weekend trading can hurt a lot of people. It's kind of anti what you'd expect it to be. 1 hour time frame, the RSI actually does look good. Very volatile overall, but you do have higher lows here. Like seeing that. I don't know. Maybe you do move up. Maybe we do have a bullish weekend. I don't know. I would think, looking at this, just the way that it looks now, I would think that we move down. We got 40 minutes. Yeah. We got 40 minutes left in this 1 hour time frame. Let's see how it goes. If we come back down and close this red, then you're not bouncing here and you are actually coming down. So maybe you are coming down. Technically, you did have bearish divergence between these highs here. If we're looking at this on the MACD, crossing down, looking bearish. Stochastics look good for now. But again, depending on what this 1 hour does, we're only in 20 minutes into this 1 hour time frame. If we come down in the next 39 minutes or so, then this good look on the stochastics, this good look on the RSI goes down. So if by the time you're watching this 16th hour of the day closes red, well, you know that this is a farce. If not, if it closes green or like here or higher, maybe we do move up. I mean, maybe you're just range bound. Maybe you're in this kind of sideways phase here, and perhaps you have found your low. We can start talking about that, right? It's very possible. I don't think that you have. At this point in time, I'm not convinced. I would expect lower prices to come, but you never know. You never know. Looking at this here, 00468, 3 hours, 38 minutes left in the day, or in the 4 hour time frame. Brand new 4 hour here. Bouncing off the 40's nice. Right here, you bounced off it, but you rejected the 50. If this 4 hour time frame closes green, again, I think that adds to the idea that this could be the low. But we just started it, so let's see how it goes, right? This is your second to last 4 hour candle of the day. Looking like you're bouncing off the oversold zone on the stochastics, bouncing off the 40. If this 4 hour closes green. If it doesn't close green, if it closes red, well, you're going lower, right? Probably going lower. I think you're going lower. I think you're just getting a little bit of a early start to this candle volatility, and you're going to come down, right? A lot of these red candles, if you notice, they have wicks to the upside. That means that they start off green and then they come down, right? They all look like this at first and then they come down, right? That candle there kind of looked like that at first and then it came down. So I would expect that we do go lower. MACD looks bearish. Stochastics with that implied result would be bearish, and so would the RSI. So, but if we close green, if it closes green, then again, that adds to the idea that this could be the low, you guys. And we are right at prior areas of support here and prior areas of resistance. So don't hold your breath. If you're looking for lower prices, don't hold your breath. But I am expecting that we do see prices that are somewhere between about 0042 and 004, somewhere down there. That's my expectation. I don't know. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. But a low to a high here, I mean 00427, 0041. Sometimes, oftentimes enough, you go just below there, even down to 00387. But I doubt we go that low. I don't know. I didn't call for this low. I was calling for the low to be at 0029 all that time, and we did go just below there, or pretty far below there even. So could we go a little bit lower than what I'm thinking here? Yeah, absolutely. Just because I'm saying that I don't expect us to get below 004 doesn't mean we can't. Watch us go to 0038, break that psychological barrier 004, people panic, and then boom, then we move up. It would be a quick wick if it happens. It's not going to be a long-lived exposure down there. But yeah, the 4 hour, I have reasons to be bullish. I think I have more reasons to be bearish. Right now it's indecisive. It really does, I think, depend on how this 4 hour candle closes. If it closes green, you got some bullish stuff going on, but I'm not expecting that, so we'll see. We shall see, my friends. Yeah, that daily time frame, that look right there just makes it bearish in itself. I think reiterating the fact that you tried, you just found resistance to prior support here, found resistance to prior resistance there, and prior resistance there. I think you're going lower. That's my expectation. Looking at the RSI here, typically you don't find support here and then move up after finding resistance in the overbought zone. I mean, sometimes you find support around this area, but oftentimes it's the 40. It's just below the 40 or the oversold zone itself. We're getting there. We just got a little bit more to go. Okay, so probably over the weekend here we'll move down, and then going into next week, even Monday or Tuesday, we'll probably move down. Have this resolution over the next. So it's Saturday now, so over the next 3 or 4 days, we should have resolution to the downside. I think that'll be accompanied by a drop in Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. We'll see, but that's my expectations. I don't have anything else for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. As always, I very much do expect that we'll see ZBCN. I'm just going to stop saying 2 to 4.5 cents. I mean, yes, 2 cents could be where we go, but I really think we'll stop at like 3 to 4.5 cents. I'm just going to start saying that from now on. Maybe I'll feel different tomorrow and I'll include 2 cents. I don't know. It's important to include the minimums, but to me, I think 3 to 4.5 cents refines that range a little bit, and it's still a fair minimum there. But I got nothing else, guys. Take care. Hit the like button. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.